Imagine your customers are getting lost and frustrated on your website. That's a missed opportunity for you, isn't it? That's where Flowpoint comes in. Think of it as a super smart detective for your website. It watches how people use your site, just like watching a movie, and tells you what's going wrong. Here's the magic. Flowpoint does this super fast and for lots of people at the same time. It's like having a whole team of experts, but way faster and less expensive. Plus, you get a bird's eye view of all the traffic on your website. You'll see everything that's happening, from who's visiting to what they are clicking on. Is a button not working? Or is your checkout too confusing? Flowpoint spots these problems in a snap, just like that, and tells you which ones to fix first to make the biggest impact. And guess what? Flowpoint also gives you smart tips on how to fix these problems right away. It's like having a website wizard that tells you how to make data-driven decisions.